Notice that I'm still in the same draw ribbon. Over here in the draw ribbon over on the right, there's this convert group. There's this option here that says ink to math. Okay. So let me go back to a simple marker and a simple width. And I'm simply going to do ink to math, and notice that it says circle some handwritten math with lasso select, then use this button to convert that to an equation. First we draw the equation and then we use that button. So very simply, let's just do 2 plus 2. Okay. I'm gonna right here in the draw ribbon, I haven't changed anywhere. I'm gonna select the lasso select, and notice my cursor has changed it to these crosshairs, right?
Oh, right. Okay.
I'm gonna draw a circle around the 2 plus 2.
Oh, so it's invisible circle.
Yeah, it's just like cropping actually. I'm gonna let go and notice that it's selected the 3 subject. Actually, it's 4, the 2, the horizontal line, the vertical line, and the 2. So that's 4 separate objects. But when we use the ink to math button, it's going to read it, and then
you did deliberately put the dot, or it just was accidental?
I noticed that before I did it, I did have a mistake there. So let me just do it again. So I have the marker, 2 plus 2.
How did you delete all of it at once, actually? Which ribbon did you use?
Okay, so let me select it first. And then ink to math. And there it is.
2 plus 2, okay.
So if you do have the most updated version of PowerPoint, it's even going to give you these different design ideas. So this is definitely extra, not necessary, but it's there. Okay.